Homemade natural cough remedy, quick and effective DIY solutions. Cough remedy drink, homemade cough syrup. Say goodbye to phlegm and cough with this homemade drink. Quick and easy cough relief drink. Herbal cough syrup, boost your immunity. Soothe your cough with this natural remedy. Homemade cough syrup with honey and lemon. Clear your chest, boost your immune system. The best drink for a sore throat and cough. Natural cough remedy for kids and adults. DIY cough medicine, perfect for cold and flu season. Homemade cough syrup that actually works. Natural remedies for cough and congestion. Cough remedy drink, homemade cough syrup. Soothe your sore throat and clear your chest with this delicious and easy-to-make homemade cough syrup. Packed with natural ingredients like honey, lemon, and ginger, this drink will help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and provide relief from coughs and colds. Perfect for the whole family.